Welcome back, Freedom Savers. Today in the stock market, it has rallied dramatically. We definitely have the bull running. Whether it'll keep going that direction or not, well, that's a different story. So I'm up to like 130 subscribers now. I want to thank every single one of you. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate all your support. If you haven't subscribed and you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like my videos, just hit the like button. All right, now, there's a couple things I want to talk about in my Roth. I've got a lot of portfolios and a lot of videos to do here, and I'm going to try and knock them all out tonight, even though they're very late because I've been hanging out on Ryan's live stream and chatting with people on other people's channels. So I've been slacking is what I'm saying. Now, my work schedule is changing this coming week, so I will probably be pushing my updates out to the weekend, at least some of them. I'll probably try to get 1 or 2 out on Friday, but I'm not going to guarantee I'm going to get 6 or 7 of them out. So those others will be coming out probably on Saturday or Sunday. I am off Sundays normally, so that would be a good day for me to put them out. So just a heads up that the day that I put my videos out may change, and I am going to promise videos on Sunday instead of Friday. But I will still try to get some updates out on Friday since that is the last day of the market. All right, well, let's get into it. The 100 stock Roth IRA is not doing well. We are down quite a bit. Our activity-wise, we got paid some dividends. We got Kimberly-Clark dividend. We got GPC, Walmart, Albemarle, Automatic Data Processing, and PPL. We got Gladstone, good. And this was already in my last update. So I did my year-end update, and so this update is technically only since the 31st. The current value of the portfolio is $5,265.64, and I have 30 cents sitting in cash. So $5,265.64. I have deposited a total of $5,573.80, which gives me a loss of $308.16. So I am down 5.53% on my Roth IRA. This portfolio, I expected to recover a little bit better than it has today. And a couple days ago, the market ended in the green, and my portfolio definitely was in the red that day. I'm not quite sure why. Apparently, the particular stocks I own just did pretty bad. With a diversification of 100 stocks, though, you would think that maybe it wouldn't have affected me so much. But as you can see, a couple days ago, the market actually ended in the green, and I obviously deposited money, but my value actually went down in the portfolio, indicating that my portfolio did not perform as well as the market that day. And yeah, so I was hoping for a little bit better recovery today. It did okay, but not nearly as good as I wanted. Now, on the dividends, I want to talk about something that's a little interesting here, and that is my Canadian banks. So I do have 2 Canadian banks in my portfolio, and with the tax treaty that the United States has with Canada, the dividends should not be taking any taxes out of my dividends because it's in an IRA. And they're definitely not, but I'm a little confused about the amounts. According to dividend.com and the sites I'm looking at, on CM's ex-div, I should have earned 64 cents, but I actually earned 87. And then on BNS, I should have earned 63, and I actually earned 86. Now, I was originally thinking that was due to the exchange rate, but it would have to be showing in Canadian as 87 cents in order to be proper exchange rate because the dollar is valued more than Canadian. So basically, 63 cents equals about 86 cents in Canadian. I doubt M1 is showing that I earned 87 cents Canadian when everything else in my portfolio is United States dollar, but I guess it's possible. So we're gonna have to wait until, I'm guessing, January. Let's go look at one of these. Yeah, January is the pay months. So we're gonna have to wait until later in this month when they actually pay that dividend to find out what I actually get paid, whether it be 64 cents or 87 cents. And then I guess I'll know how that actually works. Anyway, back to the dividends. I've earned a total of $34.07 in dividends on this portfolio. This month, we have only been paid $2.32, but that's not too bad for only being 4 days into the month. And that's pretty much all I got for the dividends. I mean, obviously, you can see I've been paid from Good, GPC, Walmart, Albemarle, ADP, PPL, and Kimberly-Clark. I am depositing $23.80 every day. First deposit was $26.20, first deposit of the year. And now I'm depositing $23.80 every day the market's open. For the rest of the year, it should get me to exactly $6,000 by the end of the year, which will max my Roth IRA out. I haven't sold anything. There hasn't been any split offs happening yet. I don't know when UTX is kicking in on that stuff. I know they're doing split offs. Dividend changes. There was a dividend change on BNS, which is the Canadian bank, which showed it dropped by 7 cents. Again, that may be due to exchange rates changing. So I'm not quite sure what's happening with that, or whether it's actually dropping by 2.66%. And that's the only dividend change. The only other one listed here is Maine, which still has the special dividend affecting its calculation. So let's go to the yearly tab. So my yearly income is up to $181.21, which is about $15.10 a month, giving me an overall return of 3.25% in dividends. So that increased my income by $2.40. And that's because I'm depositing a lot less than I was last year. Last year I was depositing $60 a day. This year I'm only depositing $23.80. So there's been 3 investing days since my last update on the 31st. I've deposited a total of $73.80, which gave me $2.40 of extra income per year for a yield on cost of 3.25%. And that's the Roth. That's pretty much all I got to say about the Roth. I've got a ton of other portfolios to do here and other stuff to talk about some of those stocks in those particular portfolios. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope your portfolios not only recovered, but excelled and made more money for you today. And I'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.